Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create company setup. Let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to create company setup, let's talk about the purpose of this. The purpose of this is to where the admin can input information about their business. A company setup is important to know who can have the main access on the system's features such as generating reports. So first you access in back office, so you go into the back office. So we're ready here in back office. So you can log in your username and your password. So you can type your username and your password. Click this login. So click this the setup icon. So click this and go to the company setup. So click this. So we're here already in company setup. So after clicking the company setup, fill out the basic information for the store. So you can fill out this name to appear on reports, then the address. For example, for this Bitpost Development 2023, the name, and the address is that this Ecom 1 Building Ocean Drive, and etc. Then a company logo, this a company logo can also be added in the company setup field with the assistant of the IT support since the logo has a specific size of 350 by 150 PNG file format. So after that, you can click this update button to save the data. So click this update. So the company setup has been updated. So as you can see here, the company setup has been updated. So this is the process on how to create company setup.